I have what doctors say is a lot more arthritis in my body than you expect for somebody my age. Now, I'm 62 now, I should have said. So I had two knee replacements back in 50 when I was 56 and 57, and just been knocked back all the time by injuries occurring. So trying stopped, trying stopped. And the injuries are all minor things. They're all just an arthritic things are particularly bad. So we planned Ningaloo. So it's quite a wild area. The Ningaloo Reef is a 600-kilometer fringing reef, and I'd always wanted to go there. I cannot remember when I first heard about it. It's like just always been on the list. And to swim with the whale sharks over there. And I knew that there was a lot of other activities there, such as swim with whale sharks, swim with manta rays. And because it's open ocean and in and out of a boat requires a level of physicality. Kayaking over the reef, snorkeling, and then there are walks there. And I was really keen. I really wanted to do the walks. I'd reached that point where I thought I am not getting anywhere. So I'd been trying for, 1, 2, 3 years. I've lost count, not really progressing anywhere and struggling. And I thought, if I really want to do this, I have to try something completely different. So at no point did I come away thinking that was really, really hard, like too hard, nor did I come away thinking, oh, I'm really aching now, I can't go back, which is something that I would get with my own training. I've done calf raises for years, and it was playing up my foot. And you said, well, don't do 10, do 7. And I have to say, in all this time, I've never thought of just cutting off a few calf raises. It's such a simple solution, but I'd never done it. I physically managed to get myself back into a kayak from the ocean, which I've never, ever been able to do before. One of the things I didn't say is I didn't take any anti-inflammatories. And in every single trip I've ever been on, I normally, within a day or two, start on anti-inflammatories and take them for the entire trip. And that's without doing the physical stuff that I did do. So taking that, I've got quite a lot of arthritis happening, and yet I was managing to do all that. It is, for me, quite significant that I managed to still do it and not have to take any anti-inflammatories. I would say give it a go. Sign up to Summit Strength. I mean, to me, the consistency has been fantastic and the support has been fantastic.